this leading together strategy that we put together is done with a lot of intention, with outcomes and with achieving results and going back to your community, having some different tools in the toolbox and a whole other set of collaborators that you can work with and that you can be with. We really wanted to set this up for some lasting change.
So when you go back out into your community, you're actually knowing your group and your partners better in a way that's more real and relevant to their needs and how you can support each other by accomplishing outcome-based solutions. In rural communities, there's different needs than maybe in cities, and so being able to highlight those and work through community connections, collaboration, programming together. You do a lot of collaboration in small communities, and if you don't know who you are working with, it's really difficult to make impact. And so we really see the benefit of just making time to get to know one another.
Oftentimes, we don't invest enough in ourselves and our teams to really be able to step away and invest that time, energy, effort. I would say take a chance on yourself, make a commitment to yourself and your community.
The way we've set up the different options for leading together really builds upon each other. There's 4 different ways in which you can connect with us to tailor what you would like, all the way from just a 90-minute reset. We can work with you or your team, all the way to a 1 to 2 day retreat. It's really a place for people to take a pause in their leadership, to have sharper clarity, stronger collaboration, and lasting resilience for yourself and for your teams that you work and you serve. This is really a foundation for transformation within your own leadership.
If people are even a little bit curious, jump on the website, find out what we're about, or give us a call and we would love to have a conversation about what your dreams are.